Hey guys, this is Monkey from Rock Paper Copy, and today I wanted to talk to you about hashtags in images. So we know that hashtags can be used on Instagram posts, they can be used on Facebook, Twitter, mainly social media. Apparently the images on Instagram, if you add hashtag within the image, those hashtags in images can be searchable as well. But I was wondering how many of you use hashtags when tagging images, and I am talking about the alt tags, which is alt text you use when optimizing the images on your website. I normally don't use them, but today when optimizing the images for Black Friday promotion, I added a Black Friday hashtag to the image before uploading it to my website. And I was wondering if any of you are using hashtags already. Is it something that is practiced, or is it something that really shouldn't be used? Because I heard that people object object in treating alt text for SEO, but want to treat alt text just for the obviously user experience, which makes sense because this is the main purpose of the alt text. However, I think that SEO is growing and developing rapidly, and hashtags are getting more and more importance, and obviously hashtags get more and more coverage. So I think this is a natural next step. Maybe it won't go that direction, but why not be there first? It doesn't really harm anything in terms of your rank, and actually you could be the first one to rank in on top of Google, on top of searches, if you start using hashtags now and they become recognized and become ranked by Google, taken into consideration by Google. So I was wondering if that's something that you already use, if that's something you think that makes sense in using, if that's something that you plan on adding to your strategy. I was wondering what is your take on this. You might also think that hashtags should be reserved only for social media posts, and image alt text should be reserved only for user experience and totally be separate from SEO. So I was wondering, what is your attitude towards that? What is your opinion? And let me know in the comment section below. Thanks a lot. And it was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. If you'd like to learn more about SEO, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also visit me on www.rockpapercopy.com. Bye bye.